The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S is more than just a cruiser, it's a statement of individuality and versatility. Designed for riders of all experience levels, it blends aggressive styling with performance and comfort, making it an excellent choice for both city riding and long highway cruises. With its low-slung profile, adjustable ergonomics, and punchy parallel twin engine, the Vulcan S stands out in Kawasaki's lineup as a machine that balances power, control, and customization. At the heart of the 2025 Vulcan S is its tried-and-true 649cc parallel twin engine, a powerplant that has been refined over the years for smooth, responsive performance. This engine, shared with Kawasaki's Ninja 650 and Z650 models, offers an exciting blend of power and efficiency. The fuel injection system ensures precise throttle response, while the 6-speed transmission allows for smooth gear shifts. Whether accelerating off the line or cruising at highway speeds, the Vulcan S delivers strong, linear power that is accessible for beginners yet engaging for seasoned riders. One of the defining features of the Vulcan S is its ErgoFit system, which allows riders to tailor the bike's ergonomics to their body size and riding preference. The adjustable foot pegs, handlebar, and seat height make it easier to find a comfortable position, whether you're tall or shorter in stature. This customization sets the Vulcan S apart from other cruisers, as it ensures a relaxed, confidence-inspiring riding experience for a diverse range of riders. The 2025 model continues with the bike's signature lightweight chassis and low seat height, making it an approachable cruiser for those new to motorcycling. The frame is designed to provide stability while maintaining a sporty, nimble feel in corners. The suspension setup consists of a telescopic front fork and a rear monoshock, offering a balance between comfort and handling. Even on longer rides, the suspension absorbs road imperfections well, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. Braking is handled by a single 300mm disc up front and a 250mm disc in the rear, providing ample stopping power. Kawasaki offers an optional ABS system for added safety, which is especially useful in wet or unpredictable road conditions. The bike's lightweight construction enhances its braking efficiency, making it easy to bring to a controlled stop even in emergency situations. When it comes to aesthetics, the 2025 Vulcan S continues to impress with its modern, sporty cruiser styling. Unlike traditional heavyweight cruisers, the Vulcan S has a sleek and aggressive design, highlighted by its distinctive headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, and minimalistic fenders. New for 2025, Kawasaki introduces fresh color options and graphics, allowing riders to express their personal style. Technology is another area where the 2025 Vulcan S sees improvements. The digital analog instrument cluster provides clear and essential information at a glance, including speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. Some trim levels may include smartphone connectivity via Kawasaki's Radiology app, offering additional features like ride tracking and maintenance alerts. The Vulcan S also excels in fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for both daily commuting and weekend getaways. With a fuel tank capacity of 14 liters, 3.7 gallons, and an efficient engine design, riders can expect an impressive range before needing to refuel. For those looking to customize their ride further, Kawasaki offers a variety of accessories, including different seat options, saddlebags, windshields, and additional lighting. Whether you prefer a stripped-down look or a fully equipped touring setup, the Vulcan S provides plenty of options to make the bike truly your own. In conclusion, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S remains a standout in the mid-sized cruiser segment, offering a combination of performance, comfort, and customization that few competitors can match. With its proven engine, user-friendly ergonomics, and modern design, it's a bike that appeals to both new and experienced riders alike. Whether you're looking for an everyday commuter or a weekend adventure machine, the Vulcan S is ready to deliver a ride that is as enjoyable as it is practical. Here's the detailed script for your 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S video. Let me know if you want any modifications or additional details.